guys. So, you see, first you have to cut like this piece, and you're going to be a little bit annoying. So first cut this piece, then cut the next piece. And it is really hard. Take your dad's help with you. You know, it's a little bit difficult, but I can do it. But no kid can ever do this. Except me and other persons. Except me. Okay, I'm going to be good. Me like it. I make it. Dad is doing it.
Hello. Yes. अच्छा जो justification and what is that?
It can take some time. Because it's so sharp.
What happened in the apartment? I have seen that you have updated that. Very good. So
There.
not a lot of results, a small result, one or two results, that's all.
Somebody can the car, and I was planning to make it as a car, no? Everything's cool outside. I'm about to try. I never see blood. Oh no. But then this cable is so tired. You know, and it pulled me. It's a lot of time. You know, it's really many pieces after everything over here.
Hello, good afternoon. Yes, my laptop has lost charge. So let us discuss. So now, what is the status? What are you doing actually? Hello.
করতে
ওই দিক থেকে আমি আসি
Yes, yes.
রান্নাঘরে সেই
কোমরে রাখেন, তুমি কোমরে রাখো
কোথায়
তোমার মাথায়।
তোমার মাথায়
আমাকে এখানে না, তোমাকে শুধু খাস করে
কোমরটা
So you say that this is what we discussed today, what? Okay, you are in, yes, it's very good. So that's one thing. So another thing is that you industry design that you have done, you are actually you are in the process of getting things now, right? Certification. Right. So when do you think you will be able to test?
Now, okay, the second piece has this and it's so long. Let you put it after. And this next.
Okay, that's good.
Sorry, next.
So, yeah, I mean, you are following up, so you are pushing it, right? It's,
We'll
I
have
mean,
to cut.
yeah, because this is your, you take it like your project, okay, and you push. Otherwise, if you leave it to these guys, so they will do their own thing. But I mean, you should actively follow up. So that's good. And then there is also another realistic design that I want you to do. And that will be a DTS design, like 40 to 12 volts. Like single point design. Yeah.
And this one should be a little bit curved and straight. And the curve needs to move and then go over straight.
That should come from the previous time, correct? Very good. So that's another skill. So now, yeah, go ahead.
And the next piece is here. And you see the normal pieces, but these are the other side pieces. And you don't need the other side pieces. Correct?
That is good. So now,
Okay.
you know that
Don't need it now.
so they have taken this and
And then stuff.
it is available now. It is coming to lab.
Water one.
So you should sit down and discuss with him.
বাবু বি কেয়ারফুল শোনো বি কেয়ারফুল
See, one question that you haven't answered is that what happens to some of other zones, remember?
Paper. Oh. So bad. Cutting the water. That was so
আঙ্গুল সরাও আঙ্গুল সরাও
No.
আঙ্গুল দূরে রাখো
Green barrier. And from
The simulation, it is working.
close
Simulation it works, right?
to Mountain Mama.
বাবুরে বাবুরে
We know this new mode, right? NP mode, right? You call it NP. And if there is no OU mode, PO mode, PO mode. PO. So PO we have understood and all that, right? So question is that, okay, if greater than 1, so how many total modes are there?
Take. Okay, coming and bring my dad, okay? And I'm all preparing my scissor. Take.
You know 8 modes, right? Okay. You know 8 modes, right? So out of that 8 modes, 2 we know, right? Now, I just said, out of that 6 modes, there are modes where GBS is not possible at all.
Talk about that thing. Okay? Don't talk about it, me, but I just doing me and that's all. And he's the video like post office segment. Just a little bit of that. Yeah, so
No, I am just going by deletion, right? How many, 8 modes, 2 we have studied, 6 we have not studied. Out of those 6, right away you want to delete some of them, right? What are those modes and why you will delete them?
One is PN because this is mostly non-service mode.
Okay, okay.
this one's a
When you say range is small, what do you mean?
this too. Okay.
Yeah, but this case,
And then
that I understand, but the thing is that this, what you are telling me is a bit vague, right?
it actually the hat is there.
So see, look,
So
there are 5 other modes are there where some of the places it is possible, right? That's what you are saying.
some half five. Who cares though?
So see, what
Dama,
I'm saying is that you
Dama.
have to solve it tomorrow.
You think in the
But
morning,
I-
Dama?
every time I will keep asking you this, right? And pester you this and you tell me. One day you tell me, okay, now we understand all of this, you should not only operate here, like that, right? You know what I mean, right? Okay. Now, let me tell you, see, the thing is that this sequencing ACDC is good, right? What for it, right? No problem. But we should actually try to look like I told you, this. So SR is one thing that is, see, CLLC and SR DAP, right? These are similar business, right? Because SRC, if you put active devices, okay, by the way, there are other things on LLC before you forget. One is that what happens in short circuit, open circuit, how you do startup, right? I asked you to look into those aspects, right? So I think you should keep those also in your. See, again, I'm not asking you to do it tomorrow, but you should do one by one. I mean, next 3, 4, 5 months, you should have an answer to all these questions. If not analytically, at least numerically, right? this thing, you know, and we would like to provide direction. And okay, another thing is that active active rectification, right? That's another thing that you are teaching. We need to know that anyway. Right? Okay, so I think we should discuss that. You looked at the literature also, no? What literature says. বলো ঘরে হ্যাঁ পেস্ট কন্ট্রোল আজকে শুধু 800 টাকা লেগে গেছে কালকে হয়তো গেট ব্যাক মারতে ওটা থেকে ও ওকে ঠিক আছে ওকে ওকে হয়ে যাবে ওকে ঠিক আছে ওকে নিয়ে যাবো বাবাকে হ্যাঁ আমি তো মিটিং করছি ঠিক আছে টাটা Hello. Hello. So, yeah, so I think we need to discuss that. Right? You would like to discuss that now? Hello. Your voice is breaking, man. Hello.
Look, I finished this part.
Yes.
This one though, twice. And you have a little bit of
Oh,
water.
I was muted. Sorry. Can you hear me now?
Oh my god. Water fell. Oops.
Hello.
So now,
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. What I'm asking is, you would like to discuss that later, or you want to try it first? Okay. Okay. Sure.
look. I'm going to do the pieces that I need. I have the piece that I got. This part is looking like this. So this one, this one should put the water. Just with water.
Yes, ma'am. It's coming out. 6:30 যেতে বলছো, শোনো।
Yes.
we have not gone through the literature of the design, no, LLC design. But in the last discussion,
So did that one from
I think
here.
there were
That's a
some
lot.
specific things through which the
And then
differentiation can happen. No? We discussed that.
over
Remember?
here. And then over there.
So maybe what I would like
আমি
you
ওয়াটার
to
ক্লিন
do,
করবো না
I know I am digressing from what
খাবার জল শেষ
you
করছো
to tell me. Right?
That's all I need.
So actually we will start
And
this.
all the
Give me
children
some time. I will share my screen.
This.
You can just finish my
See
thought.
this? Usually, in the face. Join it.
বাবু কি খাবে বলো খিচুড়টা খাবে কি খাবে বলো
কিছু না তখন কিনে দেবো তখনই খাবো
হ্যাঁ
কিনে পালিয়ে খাবো
Can you
We should cut and
hello?
share.
Hello, can you see my screen?
And then a little bit, you go into
No.
up.
What I'm saying is, LLC design.
And the design of the LLC, then up that.
I want you to
And
give me
then
this,
to
like,
choose
what is the type of specification? So one will do input voltage change, another will do output voltage change, another will do power
This
change.
one what it
Right?
does.
So input voltage,
Take one
output voltage,
action card
frequency,
and then
max maybe, or what they have defined, right?
this.
Power, output power range, right? What is the type of specification they have used, right? And then you have to determine LR, CR, LL,
First way. So,
and
oh,
K.
there.
That's what you have to do.
It'll take a little time. In the first video I made ever. And then video. Amma,
What is
It's good.
optimized? So how
And see this out.
is
And then put these
how
cards back into your box.
of the
Careful cards.
design variables
But it's a video game of life. Then what you do is choose a
then the question
card of life.
clearly correct. You are given what are optimized? Like RMS current loss or this thing. So I
So
think
you
you
choose
should
the
just
card.
you go through the paper and pull out this information, clear information.
Choose the card of one and then put it in.
You don't say no. The CR was just actually.
I want cards. Take it away. Then
So
how
I think you should do that. So that we know we can have a discussion on that after that.
I would like to put
So this is something that I would like to do.
now like this cat put it in.
Then when we are talking about this
First,
other modes of LLC,
1, 2,
that you
3,
investigate. And
4,
another thing is that
5,
you work
6,
on circuit,
7,
open circuit,
8,
and start up.
9, 10. Yeah.
Another thing that you do.
Okay. then on the next. We move over because it's a minute. Minute.
So height should be also gain is small, right? Like that.
God.
Right.
And it is over the car.
বাবু চল ফেলবে না বাবা প্লিজ প্লিজ
I'm and water falls from back.
Okay, very good. Right.
Just see.
But the short circuit, open circuit, no? Just look at
Just
that.
look.
Another is
Water's falling. See, there's a water. There's some extra water. And it's falling. See? The extra is getting low. See? You see? It was a gotcha.
Somehow that doing that for MP is a little bit vague. I am not satisfied with that.
Let us discuss that. You will.
No, just rocks.
And then.
Whatever I have to eat out
I will start that.
of these.
And see
Take them out. And all the
Which
water.
do we have item that you would like to explore and understand? See, there may not be a lot of research in this, right? But understanding, clarity and understanding is required. Right?
That?
So these are all like the regular business.
দেখো কত নিচে পড়লো।
And things like that. But then
আমি তো চলে যাবো
the research topics is one is that the single stage
Is your bathroom?
I think you already wrote that game to be last year.
Oh, this I did. Okay.
And double into a touch. That's all.
Already there.
Okay. And then another thing is that
Clear
the
down
other type of DC-DC.
And do the right.
So I'll tell you one interesting problem that now I have realized. You understand this medium voltage business, right? What these guys are doing. Yeah, are you familiar with that? Not fully. Not fully.
And you keep them for drying.
Here, what happens is
Wash this
that
mess. Huh? You should. Then I'm
we are talking about a DC-DC, okay?
तुम्हें क्लीन बताओ. And today we just done some that I hope I had a lot of interest.
See, you know,
Watch
a
out,
lot
mate.
of things that we are
What
doing.
video that I'm in? Yesterday, I showed you.
I will take
The
it.
dapper flapper. Yeah.
This medium voltage.
This is shot. Remember we were saying
DC-DC we
yesterday,
are
no?
doing, right?
Goodbye. And see you again.
In all
Bye.
of this approach, right,
Clean color.
we are doing
Chocolate clean color.
DAP
একটু পরে
right now.
ওগুলো সরাও তোমার কাঠগুলো সরাও
Yes, sir. Let that right now, sir.
And then,
I know why is so close actually.
right, so I'll just little bit tell you, I think I have it here, we are writing the proposal, no? See, what happens when, see, even in this one, right, you see that there are this. So you have this NMC base, let's say you have medium voltage grid, you make a medium voltage DC here, okay?
And then,
Then here, several isolated DC-DCs, right?
But
These are
thanks.
output parallel
all
connectors.
my videos, like, subscribe, and download it.
Now,
Don't have time to
I
watch.
think,
Bye.
I think this can